Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's tutorial, we're going to guide you through the step-by-step process of setting up the Wavlink WiFi WN572HP3 outdoor Wi-Fi extender. Whether you're extending your Wi-Fi for a large home, garden, or outdoor area, this Wi-Fi extender is a great choice. Let's get started. First, let's unbox the Wavlink WiFi Wi-Fi extender. Inside the box, you'll find the extender unit, a power adapter, an Ethernet cable, a mounting kit, and a user manual. The extender is designed for outdoor use, featuring a rugged design to withstand weather conditions. Now, connect the power adapter to the Wi-Fi extender and plug it into a power source. Make sure to place the extender in a location where it can receive a strong signal from your router, while also covering the outdoor area you want to extend Wi-Fi to. This will allow you to access the extender's settings for configuration. Once connected, open your browser and type in the default IP address, 192.168.10.1 in the address bar. This will take you to the login page for the Wavlink web interface. Enter the default username and password, which are both admin, unless they've been changed. Click Login to proceed. After logging in, you'll be prompted to select the operation mode. For most outdoor setups, choose Repeater mode. This mode allows the extender to boost your existing Wi-Fi signal over a wide area. If you want to create a new network, you can also select AP mode for setting up an access point. In repeater mode, the next step is to select your existing Wi-Fi network from the list of available networks. Click on your network and enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted. This will allow the extender to connect to and repeat your home network. Click Apply to save the settings. Now that your Wavlink extender is set up, it's time to mount it outdoors. Use the included mounting kit to secure the extender in an elevated location, such as a wall or pole, for optimal signal distribution. Make sure the extender is placed in a weatherproof area since it is built to handle outdoor conditions, but should still be protected from extreme elements. Once mounted, you should test the connection by walking around the extended Wi-Fi area with your device. You should notice a significant improvement in signal strength and coverage. If you're experiencing any issues, you can try repositioning the antennas or relocating the extender for better performance. If you run into any issues or need assistance, our expert team is ready to help. Don't hesitate to reach out at 323-471-3045 for support and guidance. Feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions. And that's it. You've successfully set up your Wavlink WiFi WN572HP3 outdoor Wi-Fi extender. Now, you can enjoy a stable Wi-Fi connection, even in your outdoor spaces. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful tech guides.